Men give lifelong loyalty to just one woman when these three emotional needs are met. Have you ever found yourself asking why men sometimes drift away even when in the beginning everything seemed so promising? Maybe you have experienced a man who looked at you with so much passion at first. He called, he texted, he wanted to be around you all the time. And then slowly, something shifted. His attention became scattered. His words lost some of their warmth. You began to feel like you were doing more of the work to keep the connection alive. That feeling can be so confusing because deep down you know you are giving your best. You care. You invest. You love with your whole heart. Yet you are left wondering why men sometimes do not give back the same level of commitment. The problem is that many women believe love and loyalty are automatic. That once a man chooses you, he will stay loyal forever just because of how much history you share. But real loyalty does not work like that. Loyalty is not a decision made once. It is something that grows stronger or weaker depending on whether a man feels his deepest emotional needs are being met. When those needs are ignored, he may not even fully understand why he is pulling away. He just feels restless, distracted, less anchored. And the woman who once had all of his focus starts to feel like she is competing with the rest of the world for his attention. This is where it becomes so painful. Because as a woman, you might think if you just try harder, he will see your worth. You might cook more meals, be more supportive, hold back your own needs to avoid conflict. You might even silence your hurt because you fear it will push him further away. But none of these things truly bring his loyalty back. Instead, they often create more distance. He gets used to receiving without truly giving, and you are left drained and questioning yourself. The more effort you pour into fixing things without understanding the real issue, the more invisible you feel. Now imagine living in that space for years, waiting for him to change, hoping he will return to the man he was at the start. Deep down, you sense he is capable of being fully loyal. You have seen glimpses of it. But without knowing what truly drives his heart, you could spend a lifetime chasing scraps of love instead of the deep loyalty you deserve. That is why ignoring this truth only leads to disappointment. Because love alone is not enough. If the right needs are not met, he will slowly detach no matter how much you sacrifice. It is important to be honest about this, because pretending everything is fine only hurts you more in the long run. Many women stay silent until one day they realize they no longer recognize themselves. They gave so much but received so little. And by then the relationship feels like a cage instead of a partnership. This is the agitation that builds when loyalty is missing. It erodes trust. It creates a constant background anxiety. You start to question if you are enough. And the more you question yourself, the harder it becomes to show up in the relationship with confidence. That cycle is exhausting, and it can steal years of joy from your life. But here is the hopeful part. Men are not complicated in the way many people believe. Loyalty is not about guessing games or endless sacrifices. It comes down to three clear emotional needs. When these three needs are met, a man gives his heart in a way that lasts. He does not wander, he does not get bored. He feels anchored to you, and his loyalty becomes a choice he continues to make every single day without being asked. Because it feels natural. It feels right. It feels like home. The first emotional need is respect. And this is not about blind obedience or silencing your own voice. Real respect is about seeing him for who he is and acknowledging his efforts. Men crave the feeling that their woman believes in them, that she values what they bring to the relationship. If a man feels constantly criticized or dismissed, he will eventually shut down. But when he feels respected, his loyalty grows. For example, imagine your partner comes home tired from work. He may not always express his stress the way you expect, but instead of pointing out what he did wrong that day, you can recognize the effort he put in. Even a simple statement like, "I appreciate how hard you work," can go straight to his heart. Respect creates a space where he wants to keep showing up for you, The second emotional need is admiration. This goes deeper than respect. Admiration is when a man feels that you truly see his unique strengths. Every man has a deep longing to feel like a hero in the eyes of the woman he loves. Not in a childish way, but in the sense that he matters, that he is not just another man in your life, but the man you look at with pride. When you express admiration, it fuels his confidence. It makes him feel safe to be vulnerable with you. For example, if he solves a problem or fixes something around the house, instead of brushing it off as nothing, show him you notice. Tell him you are grateful he is there. These small moments of admiration create a powerful bond. They remind him that with you he is not invisible, he is valued. The third emotional need is emotional intimacy. Many women think intimacy is just about physical closeness. But for men, emotional intimacy is when they feel safe enough to share their true thoughts without judgment. Most men are raised to hide their emotions, to be strong, to never show weakness. So when a woman creates a space where he can share his fears, his dreams, his doubts, and still feel accepted, that bond becomes unbreakable. Loyalty is born in that space. For example, if he opens up about a worry he has and instead of telling him to toughen up, you listen and show understanding. That moment tells him you are not just a partner, you are his safe place. That is priceless for a man. And once he feels it, he will not risk losing it. When these three needs are met together, something amazing happens. A man no longer looks outside the relationship for validation or excitement. He feels complete with you. His loyalty is not forced. It flows naturally. And you begin to feel the difference. You feel his energy turn back toward you. His attention becomes consistent. His actions match his words. And the love you always wanted starts to feel steady instead of uncertain. Think about how this could change your daily life. Instead of wondering if he will text back, you feel secure knowing he wants to connect. Instead of carrying the weight of keeping the relationship alive, you feel his effort matching yours. Instead of questioning if you are enough, you feel cherished just as you are. That shift is powerful, and it can bring back the joy and peace that every woman deserves in love. Of course, it takes awareness to create this kind of loyalty. Many women hear these three needs and think, why should I be the one to meet them first? But remember this, meeting these needs is not about losing yourself or lowering your worth. It is about understanding how men are wired emotionally. When you give respect, admiration, and emotional intimacy, you awaken his natural desire to give back even more. Loyalty then becomes a two-way street. You give and you also receive. The relationship starts to feel like a true partnership where both people are nourished. And the beauty is that these changes do not require dramatic gestures. They are built in the everyday moments. Choosing to see the good in him, expressing gratitude for his efforts, creating space for honest conversations. These are simple actions, but when done consistently, they transform the entire foundation of a relationship. Over time, his loyalty grows so deep that no temptation outside the relationship can compete, because he knows the woman by his side meets his needs in a way no one else can. So if you have ever felt the ache of a man pulling away, if you have ever stayed up at night wondering why his love seemed to fade, remember this truth. It is not about you not being enough. It is about whether his emotional needs are being met. And once you understand these needs, you hold the key to unlocking a lifelong loyalty that many women only dream of. Loyalty is not about fear or control. It is about connection. When a man feels respected, admired, and emotionally safe with you, his loyalty becomes natural, unshakable, permanent. You deserve that kind of love. A love where you never have to beg for attention. A love where you are not left questioning your worth. A love where his loyalty is not a struggle, but a joy he gives freely. And the good news is that this love is possible. It begins with awareness. It grows with small choices each day. and it becomes stronger the more you nurture it. So hold on to this. Men give lifelong loyalty to just one woman when these three emotional needs are met: respect, admiration, and emotional intimacy. When you embrace these truths, you are no longer chasing love. You are creating it. You are building a bond that can stand the test of time. And you are stepping into the kind of relationship that fills your heart with security and peace. That is the love you deserve, and it can be yours when you understand what truly makes a man stay loyal for life.